account Diva. I couldn't wait for later. I had to let you guys know of my new finds at the Dollar Tree. I'm currently on my lunch break, so I wanted to tell you guys what I got and show you all the new things that I just got from this Dollar Tree that I came to. So I will begin. How cute is this? Adorable, right? Novelty pens, teal, fluffy with the polka dots. Love it. Got this color and I got the pink. Adorable. And they write well because I wrote on them. I wrote on this box. This is my other stuff that I got. I needed tissues for the office, so. And I'm wearing my pineapple bracelet to go with the pineapple earrings. Exciting, I know. And I got more of the bracelets. I got 2 more of the red because a few of my coworkers complimented me, so I want to give them these. And then I got the other designs that I was telling you about, which is like a yellow with hints of pink, and it has like a little pot, like a little plant. You see that? Okay. And then there's a blue with a flamingo. This I just got one of. Then I got more novelty pens. I couldn't resist. Donuts. This pink donut with blue, and then this jelly donut with green stripes. Cute, cute, cute. Nice for the office. Conversation statement, is it? That's how you say conversation statement? You're writing and they're like, hi, I like your cute pen. Girl, I got it at the Dollar Tree. Really? See, you started a conversation. Cute, and $1. But these, I couldn't wait. I had to let you guys know. How cute is this? Cactus ones. They had this design with the pink, and these are like jumbo. And then this one is the yellow. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Alright. Then I got these. I've been looking for these, so I finally got my hands on them. The covertures, like to cover like salad and stuff. 4 small come, 7 medium, and 6 large. So a total of 17 pieces. Then I got these. I've been collecting these, but these colors I had to get them. I couldn't resist the gray. These are the no slip shoe liners, like the no slip socks. I love these. And then they had the coral. And these, my girls are gonna love them. I saw these in CVS. They were about $9.99. They're charm bracelets. How adorable is that? And one is a pineapple and the other one is a cactus, and it's like glitter inside. You see that? So there's 2 for one of my girls. So it's a 2-pack. And then I got them in different colors so they don't fight. And this one is a starfish and a mermaid tail. How cute! Tell me not. Adorable. Okay. And you see, I was testing out the pens, if you see. So they write pretty good. Alright. I got these little cups. I like to use this for the girls when they're brushing their teeth. The paper cups. The mini ones. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Oh. Let me see if there's anything else I'm missing. Oh. I got more Band-Aids. Ugly Dolls. 20-pack. And it says be ugly. Huh? Okay. I got baby powder for my legs. You know, these hot days, us, you know, girls will have a little thickness in our legs. They rub together. This is the salvation right here. So I need one of these. That. Let me fix my top. And I got. Oh, I found more of the favorites. When I like something, I just keep picking up more and more. This is the other one that I told you about, the donut flavor. That. Oh, and I picked up another LA Colors nail polish. This is just a plain white, but I thought it was nice color. This is called Energy Source by LA Colors, and it's a 402. And I got this lip duo. I'm in the parking lot doing it. Lip duo by LA Colors, and the color is Twinkle. Something about the shimmer in the bottom portion of the duo caught my eye, so I wanted to actually try this out now. It says is a lip gloss and lipstick duo. It moisturizes your lips and it gives you high shine. All right, let's do that. Let's give ourselves some high shine. And the packaging looks a little fancy, you know? I like it. Let me see. Ooh, it's a little bright. See that? Okay. Oh, I like this. It's a nice bright color. You see that? All right. So that, and then you can mute it a little bit by just adding the gloss on top. So let's do that. Maybe that's the twinkle part. Get it? Twinkle? Okay. It's cute. The sun is like right on me. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And for $1, lip duo. And it feels good. It does feel moisturizing, I would say. I'm gonna have to say. And it has a little design, like a little arrow type thing. And it's fancy. Okay. That's that. And what else? What else? I don't know, guys. The charm bracelets did it for me. This, adorable. The girls are gonna have so much fun wearing these. And the Ugly Dolls band-aids. You guys see me? Oh, and I just needed 2 things to organize the girls' rooms, so I picked these up. This one, see? It's a nice size, and it's a teal. Has a little shapes on it. But like, you know, when they want to organize their shoes or the shoes they're not wearing, I just like to put it in these kind of organization storage. And then I got the one to match. Oh, and I have news for my Dollar Tree fans. Let me just show you this. You know, when they have the toys, you just want to plop everything in here and just keep going. The lady told me, oh, they're doing something at the Dollar Tree. You donate. They have like school supplies at the register. So she's like, you want to donate? I was like, sure. So you buy something from their school supplies and then they throw it in this big box. So I did that. And then she told me there's a 10% off on Sundays. Sunday, July 14th, there is an additional 10% off your entire purchase of $10 or more. I mean, what? That is amazing. That is truly amazing. So if you want to start getting your back to school supplies, or just, you know, go crazy on your purchases, you get an additional 10% off. I don't know, guys. Are you guys really seeing me, or is the sun just on me? I feel like it is. Anywho, that was it for today. I couldn't wait for later. I'm like, you guys gotta know about these pens because they are So cute and adorable. And I think that's it. I see that more people subscribe. That really made me happy. There's more subscribers. Yay! I went from 6 to 10. Very excited about that. Thanks for the love. Thanks for showing me some love, because the more subscribers I see, the more motivated I get, and I want to make more videos for you guys, like show you guys these cute deals. I mean, pineapples and cactuses. How cute is this? And you get 2 for $1. So, and these novelty pens. Anywho, so, and these, you know, I had to get more. I said, you know what, let me go get some more for my friends, because they liked it, and it's a cute little gift. See, I got more. I think the pineapples is what really just makes everything pop. Alrighty, that was it. I'm gonna go, what time is it? I'm gonna go try to enjoy the rest of my lunch. I still have to finish my lunch actually, and then drive back to the office. But it was nice sharing a portion of my lunch hour with you guys and showing you all the deals that I got today, and all the new stuff, the novelty pens, the ugly doll band-aids, what else, and the most important thing, which is there's a coupon on Sunday. I mean, how great is that? That's pretty great. Sunday, let's show that again. Sunday, July 14th, 10%, guys. 10%. Who doesn't want to save even more, especially at the Dollar Tree, right? Okay, well, this is Discount Diva here, sharing with you guys all my Dollar Tree deals. And thanks for the love. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And I will see you next time. Discount Diva here.